Hi mga higala, this is Maestra Judy. Welcome to our lesson, How to Say Wash the Dishes in Bisaya Cebuano. Okay, wash or do the dishes. Panghugas sa plato. Panghugas sa plato. Okay, let's break this down first. Wash, panghugas. Wash or do the dishes. Panghugas. Hugas is our root word here. So wash means hugas. So we have a prefix pang here because this is a direct command. We use pang. Just take note that the prefix pang is used to some verbs. It does not apply to all the verbs, mga higala. Okay, then we have the, sa, dishes, plato. This is a contextual phrase, mga higala. This is how we say this in our day-to-day conversation. The plato here means dishes. When we say this panghugas sa plato, it means you have to wash everything that is used in cooking and eating. Plato, in the direct translation in English, is plate. Okay, plate, plato. Okay, panghugas sa plato, wash the dishes. Again, take note, this is a direct command. Never use this to someone that is older than you or someone to your friends, okay? Because this is too direct, mga higala. To sound more polite, okay? I'll share it to you now. This is the informal polite. So you need to add ha at the end. It is a prolonged ha, mga higala. Okay? Panghugas sa plato ha. Panghugas sa plato ha. Okay? It's long. So the translation will become like this. Wash or do the dishes okay. So ha is like okay, okay, okay. Panghugas sa plato ha. So with the presence of ha, it becomes softer. It's still a direct command but softer. I use this to my kids and to my husband, but I still don't use this to someone older than me, like my mother-in-law, my mom. Okay. So be careful still when you use this, not to someone higher in status or rank than you. Okay? Now here mga higala, I just want to point out because this is a common mistake to a lot of my students. Do not use ang here. Panghugas sa plato. It should be sa. Do not use ang here. Panghugas ang plato. Because we will never understand that. Okay? Our verb is directed to an object. Hence, we will use sa. Okay? Our verb is directed to an object. Use sa. I hope that is clear, mga higala. Now, how about making this applicable to anyone? This is the polite version. Let's have our example here. Mom, okay? You're asking your mom to wash the dishes. Mom, can you do the dishes? Ma, pwede ikaw manghugas sa plato? Pwede ikaw manghugas sa plato? Pwede ikaw manghugas sa plato? As you can see here, mga higala, we use ikaw because you're talking to someone, you're talking to a second person. Ikaw. Pwede ikaw manghugas sa plato? So, manghugas, as you notice from our direct command, panghugas, will now become manghugas. Manghugas is translated as will wash. Since you are not directing a command, we will use manghugas. It means will wash. Okay? Now, Istra, why not use ka here? Pwede ka manghugas sa plato? Yes, that is also correct. Pwede ka manghugas sa plato? Ma, pwede ka manghugas sa plato? So this one, I don't recommend because this sounds a little bit direct, okay, to my mom. I can use this to someone the same age as me, okay, but it's a bit sarcastic if you are going to use this to someone, okay? So I would rather use ma, pwede ikaw manghugas sa plato because it's more, again, it sounds more polite. Next, if you use ikaw, it's more specific and it has emphasis. You know, there are other person who can wash in the house, but I want my mom to be the person to wash the dishes because maybe because she is better than anyone else in washing the dishes. Okay? So I would rather use this instead of ka. Here are the possible answers. Yes or okay? Oh, ako lang. When you say ako lang, oh, I mean, yeah, just me. I will do it, okay? Oh, ako lang. Oh, ako lang. That means yeah, I will do it. Another yes, but later. Oh, unya. Or oh, taod-taod. That means yes, but I'm gonna do it in a later time. So what's the difference between unya and taod-taod? For me as a native speaker, both are just the same, but taod-taod is like earlier than unya. Okay, so the action will happen then later. It's still later, but earlier than unya. The next one, no. And this is how to answer in a softer tone. Dili puede or di puede. Maybe because you are that person is swamped with other things, or that person might need to go out or to run some errands. Whatever the reason is, he is not available or he or she cannot do it. This is the way to say to answer that. No, di puede or dili puede. That means it's not possible. Okay? No, I can't do it. It's not possible because I'm swamped or because I need to go out, for example. Now, let's summarize what we have learned. The first one, use ikaw if you want a specific person to do the dishes. Number two, panghugas sa plato is to be used when speaking to someone younger or with whom you have a close relationship. Okay? And then add ha at the end of your request to soften the tone and make it sound less demanding. This word adds a polite touch, making your request sound friendlier and less abrupt. Okay? Next one, to be polite, use common titles. What are those? The common names. Kuya, ate, manoy, manang, dongday. Okay, those are the common titles. Or you can use the person's name. And very important, watch your tone. Last but not the least, use puede. to sound polite and not aggressive when requesting or commanding someone. Puede. Okay? Possible or can. So that's the meaning of puede. Now let's have a quick review of those vocabulary that we just learned. Wash, command term is panghugas. The root word is hugas. Wash is hugas. If you want to command, direct command, panghugas. Dishes, plato in this phrase, it means everything that is used in cooking and eating. But then again, mga higala, plato, the direct translation is plate. But since panghugas sa plato is contextual, it's not just plates. It has to be, the person has to wash everything used in cooking and eating. All right. I want you to repeat after me, mga higala. Let's practice. Okay? Let's start now. Panghugas sa plato ha. Panghugas sa plato ha. Panghugas sa plato ha. Okay, let's do this in a more regular pace. Panghugas sa plato ha. Panghugas sa plato ha. Panghugas sa plato ha. Panghugas sa plato ha. Okay. Mga higala, we already have a product display at Capitano Restaurant in Mandaue near Park Malls. All right, before we end this lesson, my books are available on Amazon and on my website. Learning Kits Box 1 and 2 related to Abacada alphabet. These are available on my website. So learning kits are packed with interactive materials, lesson materials, mga higala. These are physical materials. So it's available on my website. And I ship worldwide, mga higala. So if you have any questions about this, use the chat box for faster communication. Daghang salamat, mga higala. That's all for this lesson. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.